Sesame seeds are not just a simple garnish, they're a nutritional powerhouse that can transform your snacking game in just minutes. In this video, we'll reveal how to create a delicious, crunchy treat that's packed with health benefits and takes only 5 minutes to prepare. Get ready to revolutionize your snack time with this simple yet incredibly nutritious sesame hack. Sesame seeds are a true superfood, loaded with essential nutrients. They're rich in protein, healthy fats, fiber, and minerals like calcium. Just a handful of these tiny seeds can provide a significant boost to your daily nutritional intake, making them the perfect quick and healthy snack option. Creating a delicious sesame treat is incredibly simple. All you need are 3 basic ingredients: sesame seeds, sugar, and honey. Toast the sesame seeds lightly for 2 to 3 minutes, then caramelize sugar and mix in the seeds. The entire process takes just 5 minutes, giving you a crunchy, nutritious snack in no time. These sesame snaps are incredibly versatile. Enjoy them on their own, crumble them over ice cream, or pair with cheese and nuts. They're perfect as a quick energy booster, a coffee companion, or a guilt-free dessert alternative. Beyond their delicious crunch, sesame seeds offer remarkable health benefits. Antioxidant powerhouse. Rich in lignans and vitamin E, which protect your body from oxidative stress and may help reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Heart health support. The seed's healthy fats and fiber can help lower cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. Bone strength. High calcium and zinc content contributes to stronger bones and teeth. Blood sugar regulation. May help control blood sugar levels, beneficial for people with diabetes. Anti-inflammatory properties. Contains compounds that may help reduce inflammation in the body. Hormone balance. Phytoestrogens in sesame seeds may help balance hormone levels, especially beneficial for women. By snacking on these sesame treats, you're not just satisfying your hunger, you're actively contributing to your overall health and well-being.